On to matters technology. American technology company Google has announced a $10 million package, which is approximately 1.1 billion Kenya shillings, to support Kenya's post-Covid-19 recovery efforts. The company announced that 550 million shillings of these funds will finance Kenyan startups, 330 million shillings will support small businesses, and the remaining 220 million shillings will be for charity. The announcement was made by the Google CEO Sundar Pichai during a virtual meeting with President Uhuru Kenyatta on the sidelines of a public discussion on digital transformation in Africa organized by Corporate Council on Africa.
According to a preliminary report about startup investments in Africa by Startup List Africa, Kenya was the leading destination for startup investments in Africa in 2020. To this end, Google is looking to tap into the wealth of opportunities the country offers. In a virtual meeting with President Uhuru Kenyatta on the sidelines of a public discussion on digital transformation, Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced that the tech firm was offering $10 million, which is approximately 1.1 billion shillings to support Kenya's post-Covid-19 recovery efforts. In addition, the tech firm, which has had operations in Kenya over the last 13 years, plans to expand its Google for Startups Accelerator program this year by supporting 100,000 businesses and 15,000 developers in Kenya.
For Kenya ultimately to become one of the startup capitals of the African continent, this wouldn't have happened without the partnership of companies like yourself, who have had that faith, that trust, and that confidence in our country and in the potential that exists out there for us to have what I always call a win-win situation.
The head of state says the government is keen on expanding market opportunities for Kenyan businesses through the ongoing free trade agreement negotiations with the United States and other multilateral platforms, such as the African Continental Free Trade Area.
It's a wonderful gift that we have and a wonderful opportunity that we have that we can expand and grow even further. And I'm really looking forward to partnering with yourself, with your team and others, to see how we can ensure that we upscale and ensure that through the use of the digital economy, the digital world, we can expand our economies, our growth and opportunities for our young people.
President Kenyatta said Kenya is aggressively expanding internet connectivity across the country and investing in skills development to enable young Kenyans benefit from employment opportunities created by the digital revolution. Alanauko, Channel on Business.